It's difficult to open your eyes when you're always tired. Rest is never consistent for the individual, so social revolutions must be exhausted and seem to only fuel themselves with this season's most trendy caffeinated beverage. We are not allowed to sleep. Anytime our eyes are closed is exactly when we start to fall behind. These shady beasts we can't let out of our sight, yet have never been fully seen, don't need slumber. They feel energized, especially at our most weak, being pushed forward by the opposite of hate, or opposite of love, sorry. Fear of these monsters isn't what keeps us awake. It's the bickering noises thrown at each other. Keeping one eye open isn't enough when whatever is happening is trying to be reinvented as fair. We need to work together, like the village built to care for life that we are and have been shutting our eyes to be. Let's set up a sleep schedule. So the dreamers can plan solution while the strong assemble what will actually cause change. Then switch when the weary workers need to rest their bodies, and us dreamers will be happy to clean up the rest of the mess progress always makes. These terrors will hibernate. So long we stay busy, vigilant, and also still rest, because they have nowhere to reign.
Wow.